Hey guys, Sean here, and I am in one of my most favorite places on the planet. This is Qi Palawan. It's spelled as QI, and it's by far one of the most peaceful places I've ever been to. They have scuba diving, they have kite surfing, which is the most popular because this is one of the best places to do kite surfing on. They do have kayaking. That's pretty much it. It's a very nice place. I'm gonna show you around a little bit inland.
We have towels on the boat, drinks. If you need some, just inform us.
I don't know if you were able to take a good look at the beach, but it is very wide, very fine sand. Water is shallow. I'm just here trying to look at whatever's inside, and right now this is what's in front of me. Refreshing from the jungle, the concrete jungle streets of Manila, from all the work and stress. So being an entrepreneur sometimes can drown you, telling you that you have to work hard, and while it's true you have to work your ass off, it isn't true that you need to drown and die and work. You need to have some balance in your life. Don't forget the main reason why you started entrepreneurship is for financial freedom, time freedom, and that's what you have to work going forwards to.